Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're away from home and want internet access without relying entirely on mobile data, connecting to Spectrum out of home Wi-Fi can be a convenient option. Spectrum provides access to participating Wi-Fi hotspots in many locations, allowing eligible users to stay connected while traveling, commuting, or spending time away from their primary network. The setup process is usually straightforward, but you'll need the correct account information and a nearby hotspot to get started. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple steps that can help you connect to Spectrum out of home Wi-Fi successfully. Try these. Step 1. Locate a nearby Spectrum out of home Wi-Fi hotspot. Step 2. Open Wi-Fi settings on the device using Spectrum out of home Wi-Fi. Step 3. Select the Spectrum out of home Wi-Fi network. Step 4. Sign in with Spectrum out of home Wi-Fi account credentials. Step 5. Wait for the Spectrum out of home Wi-Fi connection to establish. Step 6. Test internet access through Spectrum out of home Wi-Fi.